Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. There is a question about error in phpMyAdmin, especially for MySQL server, like on the screen. The MySQL set cannot connect, which is invalid setting, and then MySQL real connect, the server requested authentication method unknown to the client, and so on. So how to resolve this problem? So you need to follow the step in here. You need to back to SAMPP, and then we stop everything, and then we restart. Okay, and then we try the Apache. The Apache is no problem, there is no problem in here. And then you can try phpMyAdmin from here or from the SAMPP. I think it's the same. Still has a problem, access denied or cannot connect. So you need to back to SAMPP, and then we stop everything, Apache and MySQL, we stop, and then we check from Apache, from the config, and then from MySQL we check the config and myini. In the myini you can find the number of port that you use for MySQL. In here they said 3307. The port is 3307, and then we close, and then go to Apache config and phpMyAdmin config. You choose phpMyAdmin config, and then you can try to find the host, the server host. You need to replace the number of server hosts in here to the number of port that we use for MySQL. We start from localhost, and then followed by the number of port. Okay, don't forget to save, and close. We start, restart Apache and MySQL. Okay, there's no problem here. And then you can try MySQL admin. So as you can see on the screen, so you can access the phpMyAdmin and there is no error. Even though you refresh here, you can still see the phpMyAdmin. Okay, thank you for your time. I think this is useful for your problem. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.